Hello, my friends. I'm going to be doing a swipe today on this small canvas. I'm trying to somewhat duplicate an embellished pour I did a while back that sold, and I have a client who has become a dear friend, actually, who wants me to try to recreate it for her. If you want to see the painting, it's still pictured on my website. It's called Splash. You can search for it at chrissypaints.com. But let me show you the dried result and the finished embellishment on one of the last swipes I did. I have not yet varnished it. In fact, I'm still working on it. I have to figure out the shadow of this vine on the tabletop there, but this is pretty much the finished product, and I'm really pleased with the way this swipe came out. Even the parts where I swiped and it left these lines, to me they look like folds of fabric, so I'm really very pleased with that. I had to kind of fudge the tabletop, but I knew I would, and the background is subtle but interesting, and yes, I'm very happy with it. I bought a floater frame for it. No, I don't know where it is. Can't show you that, but then I have another one. I did not do a video on this, and again, this one is not yet varnished. I think I'm done with it, though. Now that one was done without silicone. This one, I think, had silicone in it. Did it long ago. I did not, as I said, make a video on it, but swipes just make great backgrounds for embellishments, I think. And yeah, so that's that. So let me mix up my colors, and get back with you. Okay, I'm ready to swipe here. I think that's going to be very simple. I'm using Artist Loft Ready Mixed Paints, but I have diluted them with a glue and Floetrol mix. I've done it before with a swipe, and I get just the kind of cells I'm looking for this particular project. So I'm using Aqua green. I'm going to pour that all over as a background, and then turquoise and bright blue and white as my swipe color, to which I've added a couple of drops of silicone. Now, normally this stuff, if you use it straight, it dries with a nice sheen to it, but I don't, because I'm going to be embellishing it, I don't especially want that. That's why I'm diluting it, and also prefer the size and shape of the cells I get when I dilute it, and it dries with kind of a matte finish, which makes a nice surface for embellishing. So that's why I diluted it. Plus, it's economical that way. So here we go. I'm going to cover the surface with this. I'm going to tilt it to cover, but I'm not going to worry about the sides too much. I can match the color when it's dry and fill in any voids that may happen. No, not too bad coverage anyway. That's pretty good. Alrighty. Okay, I think I'll remove my gloves. Well, no, you know what? I'll leave them on because I might end up doing some tilting. My swipe tool is a page divider, a notebook page divider that I picked up, and I cut off the 3-hole bit because I didn't want 3 holes. It would make a weird effect as I drag it across if I did that. So here we go. I didn't explain what it was. It kind of looked like a waterfall, and then I had just couple of legs and an arm sticking out like somebody was, you know, had slid down this waterfall. So that's why I have the white is my swipe color, kind of foamy, and I'll just go from the top down, and then I will probably tilt. So, and I kind of want a little movement in there. Maybe I don't know. I don't remember how I did the last one, if it was even this medium or not. I mean this paint. I don't know what I'm trying to say. Let's see. You know, I think maybe I need more of this color here. Okay, here goes. This is nice because it's lightweight, but a little bit on the firm side. Make sure I get full coverage there. And gently pull down. Okay. That's pretty much what I wanted, but I do want more movement in it, so I'm going to be doing a little tilting. A little side by side. And I want to change up the shapes of the cells a little bit. Well, it doesn't look a lot like the last one, but I think it'll be fine. It does look to me like water. I don't think I want to swipe again. I think it's going to be fine. I think what I'll do when I turn off the camera is scrape up all these drippings and try it again. Probably not on camera, and if I like that one better, I'll show you. But for now, I think I'm pretty pleased with this. Let me bring you in for a closer look. This would be the top. But I like the dimension there. Look at that. It's kind of fun there. Oh, the colors are so pretty, these Artist Loft. Yeah, it's not a lot on its own. Well, actually, it's pretty on its own. You know what? I like it. It could be left alone. But as I said, it's a background. So there we go. Thanks for watching, my friends. See you next time.